Jacob & Company. Twin Turbo Furious Sapphire Crystal Red. Main features are Jacob & Company. Twin Turbo Furious Sapphire Crystal Red is an incredibly complex and visually stunning timepiece, pushing the boundaries of watchmaking. Movement caliber number GFM5. Winding, manual winding. Other functions are hours, minutes, seconds, twin, triple-axis tourbillons, decimal minute repeater, mono-pusher chronograph. Power reserve approximately 48 hours. Frequency 21,600 vibration per hour or 3 Hz. Case material sapphire crystal, titanium, and other materials. Case diameter 57 by 52 m. These are general sizes. It is a very large watch. Water resistance 30 meters, 3 atm. Dial skeletonized, revealing the movement. Hands and markers made of high-quality materials. Strap rubber or other high-quality materials. Clasp deployment buckle. Twin triple-axis tourbillons. This is the watch's most striking feature. It features 2 triple-axis tourbillons, which rotate on 3 axes simultaneously, enhancing accuracy and creating a mesmerizing visual display. Decimal minute repeater. It includes a decimal minute repeater, a complication that chimes the time on demand. Mono-pusher chronograph. A mono-pusher chronograph is integrated, allowing for precise time measurement. The watch uses high-quality materials, including titanium and precious metals, in addition to the sapphire crystal.